Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make blocks in Blockbench. Blocks are commonly used for terrain, structures, and decorative objects. First, open Blockbench. Go to File, then select Plugins. In the plugin browser, search for Minecraft Block Wizard. Click the plugin and install it. This plugin allows you to create custom blocks easily. Once installed, start a new project and look for the plugin we just added. Select Create a Block. Enter the display name of the block. This is the name players will see in-game. Next, set the identifier. This is how Minecraft identifies your custom block, similar to how it identifies default blocks. Click Next, then choose a preset. After that, select the block shape. For now, we'll keep the default settings and click Next. Next, you'll see the block behavior settings. Here, you can adjust sliders to make the block behave more like ice or soul sand. After that, configure the block properties such as whether it's mineable, which tool breaks it faster, and how many hits it takes to mine. Then move on to the appearance settings. You can customize how the block looks. For example, setting light dampening to 0 makes it behave like glass, while higher values make it act more like stone. For exporting, you can either export the block to a development pack folder or integrate it into an existing pack. For this example, we'll export it to a folder. Don't forget to enter a pack name. After clicking Next, the block will be exported. Clicking Next again will open the block for editing inside Blockbench. You can press Ctrl+S to save the block. And that's how to make blocks in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.